Most people are walking into 2026 with a wish list. You're walking in with a system. Motivation lies to you. It shows up when life is easy and abandons you the second things get hard. Habits are the only things that survive the storm. If you want a life nobody has, you have to do what nobody else is willing to do. These are the 7 habits of the 1% for 2026. 1. The 5 a.m. conquest. Beat the sun. The silence of the early morning is where empires are built. If you win the first hour, you've already won the day. 2. Digital minimalism. Your phone is a weapon. Most people use it on themselves. Delete the junk. Turn your device into a tool for production, not endless consumption. 3. The 90-minute focus block. 90 minutes of deep work every morning on your #1 goal. No phone, no tabs, no noise. This is how you outpace your competition by a decade. 4. The physical tax. The body is the engine. If the engine is weak, the mind fails. Pay your daily tax in sweat. No excuses. No, I'll start tomorrow. 5. Radical accountability. Stop looking for someone to blame. Your results are 100% your responsibility. The moment you accept that is the moment you gain the power to change everything. 6. The silence protocol. Move in the dark. Stop announcing your plans to people who haven't fixed their own life. Let your results be the first thing they hear about you in 2026. 7. The zero failure rule. You will mess up. You will miss days. But you never have 2 bad days in a row. You must reset within 24 hours. The war is won by the one who gets back up the fastest. Knowing these habits is worthless. Doing them is everything. 2026 doesn't care about your potential. It only cares about your output. You have the system. Now do the work.